A dog takes 4 leaps for every 5 leaps of a hare, but 3 leaps of dog is equal to 4 leaps of hare. Compare their speeds. Now, in a constant time for both dog and hare, dog takes 4 leaps. So those are dog leaps. So we can say 4 dog leaps, and hare takes 5 hare leaps. Now it is given to us that 3 leaps of dog, that is 3 dog leaps, is equal to 4 hare leaps. So therefore, I can write down that 1 dog leap is equal to 4/3 of hare leap. Now we can substitute this value of dog leap in this ratio. So 4 dog leaps instead of dog leaps, we'll write down now 4 into 4 by 3 hare leaps is to 5 hare leaps. So hare leaps gets cancelled out. Now this 3 can go on the right hand side. So 4 fours are we have 16, and 5 threes are we have 15. So the answer is 16 is to 15. Option A.